Hi, Angelique.
Hey,
How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing good. Doing good. Thanks for taking a few minutes.
Thanks. Oh, just so you know, in about 10 minutes, I am baking something at the moment, so there'll be a time where I have to pause and grab it out the oven.
Yeah, and in fact, I think this won't take longer than that because this is
Okay.
sort of just the first, and then we're going to do several of these while you all are in the program. So let's get started. So you can get to what are you making?
A lemon cake.
Oh my gosh, that sounds
Yeah.
amazing.
My birthday is coming up, so I'm like, okay, let me make a little something.
Oh, it's your birthday.
Friday.
Oh, well, happy early birthday.
Thank you.
So, all right. So, for the video, so tell me your name, and then tell me a little bit about where you're from.
Okay, for sure. So my name is Angelique Herron, or I go by Angie for short. I'm from Chicago, Illinois, born and raised.
Okay, wonderful. And what, uh, I guess, tell me a little bit about growing up in Chicago and like the challenges you faced, and I don't know, the dreams you had, like what you wanted to do.
Definitely. So I grew up in the Austin community, so on the west side of Chicago. So I went to school there and everything, high school, elementary school, and so on. It wasn't until college when I started venturing out on my own, different things that I like to do. So originally I went to St. Mary's College in Indiana to
Mhm.
study business and different types of majors there. But it turns out I had a passion for culinary arts from a jump, and so going to St. Mary's wasn't really the best fit for me. And so after that, I joined the army, and after that, I just came here, started working a little bit, and then I eventually opened up my own business in March of last year.
Wow,
So
congrats.
yes, thank you. So I'm currently working on that still.
Okay.
And as far as like my big dreams and goals, I want to continue my education as far as like helping other people, because the big mission or the big part of my mission plan for my business is continue to accommodate and service people and bring different types of cultures together. So that's really what I want to keep trying to improve on.
Hey, so tell me about your business. That's like what is it specifically?
Oh, it's catering and personal chef services.
Okay,
So
super
far
cool.
I cater, yes. So far I cater for different friends and family events during holidays, birthdays, things of that nature.
Okay. And where did you learn to cook? And the army or even before that?
Even before that, I would stay with my granny and she would teach me a little bit of stuff every now and then. And I pretty much just learn as I go. So it started off with trying to cook a pot of rice, which I couldn't master before. Now I
Yeah.
can. So that's pretty much where it started.
Oh, I love it. So how did you find out about this scholarship and this program?
Yeah, so I completed another culinary program called Inspiration Kitchens, which is located here in Chicago.
Okay.
After completing the course and got the certifications, everything, one of my chef instructors reached out to me about the scholarship saying, "Oh, I think this would be a great fit for you. You should apply." And that's why I'm here.
And you got it. How did you feel when you found out you got it?
Man, I was super excited. Like when I got the phone call, I had tears of joy because I'm like, man, I finally worked hard for something and it's finally paying off.
Yeah.
So I'm excited.
So what do you think a program like this means for you, like in the future? Like what's going to happen?
It's pretty much gonna help me expand my knowledge and networking and meeting new people for sure.
Mhm. What are you most excited about with the program?
I would say just learning new things, experiencing like different types of cooking methods and different type of culture of food and just networking with people.
Yeah. What have you met any of the other recipients yet?
I have, yeah, we started a group chat.
Oh, cool. Wonderful. So at least you're not going to New York City all alone, essentially.
Right.
Yeah, awesome. Are you nervous about going to New York? I mean, Chicago is kind of city.
They're pretty much similar. So I'm excited. A new change in environment.
Yeah, for sure. Well, very cool. Um, what what do you like to cook the most?
Man, that's really tough. I like comfort food, especially like soups and different things like that and empanadas, because those are very filling. Like the way that I make them is very filling.
Yeah.
Sometimes you'll be so full after one serving. Sometimes you might want more. So I'm like, that's pretty much my specialty.
Do you see yourself kind of going that direction after this program in terms of, I don't, do you see yourself continuing the catering business, or do you want to open a restaurant? Like what do you see in the next couple of years?
Okay, definitely. So I have an idea. I would like to incorporate both ideas, like catering and a restaurant. However, I know with a restaurant, you're just stuck in one spot. I
Yeah.
have this idea where instead of doing a food truck, I want to do like a food train cart, like with multiple carts, just like serving different types of food. Like, have you ever seen the movie The Polar Express?
Yeah, sure.
So they serve hot chocolate, things of that nature. I want to have that same
Oh,
aesthetic, but serve food and like
yeah.
travel around different states.
Oh, wow, that would be really cool.
Yeah,
Huh. Okay. Well, I look forward to that. That sounds amazing.
it's the literal definition of Meals on Wheels.
Yeah, there you go. I like it. I like it. Well, awesome. Well, I can't wait. Thank you for your time today. And basically, I think we'll do this every few weeks and just check in throughout the program and see how things are going, and just keep going.
Definitely. I'm looking forward to it.
Awesome. Well, me too. I'm so happy for you. Have a wonderful trip to New York next week, and we'll talk soon.
Yes, thank you.
All right, thanks. Bye.
Bye.